Hi, my name is Erica Stice, and today I wanted to go over item number X323, which is a multi-purpose rotary attachment kit. This is a great set of attachments for your flex shaft or rotary tool. It comes with 12 bristle wheels, which are these right here, 3 that are stiff bristles used for heavy cleaning, 3 medium bristles used for light cleaning or polishing, 3 soft bristles, and 3 very soft bristles used for polishing. These last two, the soft and very soft bristle wheels, can be used with the polishing compound. In addition to the 2 wheels, you also get 2 soft end brushes for hard to reach areas. The kit also comes with 4 brass brushes, which are 2 crimped wheels and 2 end brushes. And you also get 1 crimped steel brush. These stiff metal brushes will give your pieces a bright brushed look. The brass brushes are used with the yellow metals, while the steel brush is used for the white metals. Here's a word of caution though: wear long sleeves, an apron, and safety glasses when using these metal brushes, because when the crimped metal flies off of them, it stings when it hits you. The kit also comes with 2 aluminum oxide cones, one of which is tapered, and they're used for shaping and grinding your metal. And the kit also includes 1 crosscut and 1 round steel burr, which are used for cutting and shaping your pieces. Now the muslin and the chamois buffs are for polishing your pieces to a bright mirror finish, while the felt bobs, which you see down here, which has 2 wheels and 2 cone-shaped bobs, are for pre-polishing and polishing. The kit also comes with instructions on how to use each one. So if you forget, you can always refer to this paper. Now you can use polishing compounds on the felt bobs, which are these 4 down here, also with the 2 buffs, and the soft and the very soft bristle wheels, and the 2 end brushes. Now we carry a polishing compound here at Halstead set that's around $10 that can be used with these attachments. It's item number XJ149. Thanks for watching.